In this video, we're going to take a look at how to apply a static redaction while editing a video in Redactor version 5. I'm working on a dash cam video where I've already ran a face and license plate detection. Now we want to remove the static information at the bottom of the screen. You'll see we have time, date, and GPS location. Like any other manual redaction, just click your mouse to make a line, drag over to make a bounding box, and fit it over the objects you wish to redact. In this case, we're going to press static. You'll see now we have a bounding box covering the static information the length of the video. To preview, I'm going to render and export. And then I'm going to click preview. And you'll see we now have a static redaction covering up the time, date, and GPS coordinates.